Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Samsung model and Android version, because System UI Tuner appears only on certain builds. Next, enable developer options via settings about phone and tap build number 7 times. This unlocks advanced controls. Once done, decide whether to use ADB from a PC or try the long press trick on the gear icon in quick settings. You need USB debugging if using ADB, so plug in, allow the PC, and prepare the command prompt. Now you activate the tuner. If using ADB, run, a DB shell settings put secure SysUI tuner enabled 1, this directly flips the flag. Alternatively, press and hold the quick settings gear icon for about 10 seconds until it confirms. Once enabled, go to Settings and find System UI Tuner to tweak status bar icons, Do Not Disturb behaviors, and demo modes. You'll see options to add or remove icons and change layouts. Make small changes, then verify behavior in real time. Finish by applying your chosen tweaks and then rebooting the phone to ensure the changes persist. This often resolves icon glitches. If something looks off, clear the System UI cache or reset the tuner settings, because cache services can block visual updates. Should a system update remove the tuner, re-enable it via ADB or consider safe third-party UI mods, only if you understand permissions and risks. If you hit errors, inspect logs with a dblogcat to pinpoint what failed and retry the specific step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.